Guys, today I welcome to this channel. Today we're going to check out this is an Audi. This is a coolant control valve. This is a solenoid for the transmission. So it's just right here, guys. What we have to do is it's just below here, the driver side. This is it. This is the coolant. Has two clamps to the both sides, and then has two screws attached to the frame. This problem, guys, is common. It's the code error of P2753 when you put in on the DTC. So guys, this is what happens when you pull out the connector. You see that the coolant is gone inside. So this is maybe cut a short on it, so that's why it doesn't work right. So maybe when you're replacing, this is our new one. So guys, before you pull it out, you have to make sure they look alike, and then once you do that, you can put it in. So let's do the work. So I'll take this one right here and I'm gonna put it in. So I have to first disconnect the hoses from the old one. You have to make sure, guys, you have something to kite the coolant from. So you take out and then just leave the other one which is inside, and then you can just pull it lastly, and then you can take the new one and then put it on the frame. So guys, it's important when you see the cord, just make sure you visit a mechanic so he has to look on it. So guys, here I cleaned up the one which I had, and then I'm going to just put it right inside again, connect it, and then once that is done, guys, I'm just going to like put some coolant in it, and then once the coolant goes in, we're going to be able to test it out and see if it's working out or it doesn't work out, and then from there we can do more tests. But this is just a simple step. I know in other models of the Audi is behind the transmission, but this one is just in the front side of the front tire. So once that is done, guys, you have to make sure you top up your coolant so that it compensates the one which flowed out when you are installing the new one. So just make sure you put your coolant back to the level which is normally required, and then once that is done, guys, then that's it. I hope this video really helps you guys today, and I hope it fixes your problem. See you next time, and drive safe out there. Alright.